Hey Siri,
Yes?
find me a reliable and dedicated employee.
Here's a reliable and dedicated employee. Ta-da.
Wish it was that easy? It can be. Welcome to VMeDx Podcast, your virtual assistant made easy at VMeDx.com. And here's your host, the founder and CEO of VMeDx, the Vladster.
Welcome to the podcast. So let's talk about something every medical practice struggles with, which is insurance approvals. Imagine this: a patient needs a critical diagnostic test. You know it's necessary. They know it's necessary. But before treatment can begin, there's a catch. You have to go through a maze of prior authorization forms, payer portals, and long wait times. Your front desk is making endless calls, just trying to get things moving. Your clinical team is totally bogged down with paperwork. And worst of all, your patient. Yeah, they're left waiting, frustrated, and unsure of what's next. Sound familiar? It should, because prior authorization has become one of the biggest bottlenecks in modern healthcare. It's honestly exhausting. It's frustrating, time-consuming, and it often leads to delays in care. The process meant to control costs is now adding cost in time, labor, and patient satisfaction. So how do we fix this? Introducing Medical Prior Authorization Services from VMeDx. Our remote team of specialists takes the manual burden off your staff. We handle the entire process from initiation to approval. Instead of spending hours navigating insurer requirements, your team can focus on patient care. Let's break down why this is a total game changer. First, cost savings. Prior authorization is a hidden expense. Staff spends hours filling out forms, making calls, and submitting requests. Our dedicated remote specialists handle the workload, reducing labor costs and cutting down on all that administrative overhead. Second, improve patient experience. When prior authorization delays care, patients suffer. And that's the last thing any practice wants. With a dedicated team managing approvals efficiently, treatments, procedures, and medications move forward without unnecessary holdups. Third, increased efficiency. No more jumping between payer websites or chasing down documentation. That's honestly a huge relief for your team. Our specialists work seamlessly with your team and integrate with your existing workflows, cutting down approval turnaround times significantly. And finally, reduce administrative burden. Let's be honest, your team didn't get into healthcare to do paperwork. That's just not what they signed up for. By outsourcing prior authorizations, your staff can focus on higher value tasks, improving morale, and honestly, just making work less stressful. At VMeDx, we believe in simplifying healthcare operations so that doctors can focus on what really matters, treating patients. Our medical prior authorization services remove the bottlenecks, making your practice more efficient, cost-effective, and patient-friendly. If you're ready to put prior authorization headaches behind you, visit us at vmedx.com to learn more. All right, let's move healthcare forward together. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.
Welcome to the future of healthcare staffing. Do more and be more with VMeDx. Visit us at www.vmedx.com.